I'm going to show you today how you can remote control another computer, basically anywhere in the world. The software that I'll be using is totally free as well, and also once installed you can actually transfer files in between the computers. Let's have a look. So basically, first of all, you open up your web browser and you type in TeamViewer. It's this top one here. We want to go to teamviewer.com, that website right there. Once you're on the web page of teamviewer.com, you want to select the download option here. Now you can either just click on run to run the file straight from the website, or you can save the file first. I'm just going to save it to my desktop. So you click save and then save as. Choose desktop on the left here. It's going to be called TeamViewer, that's fine. Just click save. This is now downloading the installation package to my desktop. It's now completed, so we can close this and we can close the website. There you can see the TeamViewer setup file. Double click this, select run. This will now go off and install TeamViewer. You want to install TeamViewer, that's fine. Click next. Say yes to any account control settings. Select yes on this screen. You want to select personal non-commercial use. Click next. Accept both the license agreements. Click next. Leave that setting as default, that's fine. Click next. It's just installing the package now. You can see it's already created the shortcut for the software at the moment. There you go, that is now installed TeamViewer on this machine. You're also going to need the person's machine that you're going to remote control. You need them to do exactly what we've just done. You need them to install TeamViewer as well, and once that's installed on the machine you want to remote control, they will also have this screen with an ID number and a password. Okay, this is the PC that I've just installed TeamViewer on, and over here we have another PC which I've just also installed TeamViewer. So basically what I want to do is remote control that PC in the corner there from this machine here. So what you need to do is get the user ID and password from the machine that you want to remote control. So if we go over to here, we basically ask the end user to give you that ID number and that password. So now we have that. We come back to the machine. Right, okay, so I've got the ID number and the password from the other PC that I want to remote control. So we type in the partner's ID number, which was 455001153. You click on connect to partner. It's now gone off, connected to the other PC, but it now needs to authenticate, which the password for that was 9523. We click log on. That's it, we're now on the other PC. As you can see, this is why I've got the camcorder set up, so I can just show you. The other PC was on a Living for Golf website, and as you can see that was the website on that machine over there. So I'll keep on there, but I'll move the screen around from this side. As you can see, I'm now in full control of the other computer. Okay, so I'm on the main machine at the moment, and this is the other computer that I'm remote controlling at the moment. If I minimise, this is the main computer where we installed TeamViewer, and this is the PC that I was showing you in the corner. So I now have full control of that PC. I can also transfer files from my local machine across to another machine. On my local machine here, I've got just for an example, I've got a picture called Beach. So I want to put this onto the other machine. all we need to do is, whilst in the TeamViewer session, at the top here you have different menu items. You need to select File Transfer and then the option File Transfer. This will bring up this dialog box here. On the left hand side you have Local Computer, which is your computer, which is the one I'm actually sitting on at the moment, and you have the Remote Computer, which is the one where we want to send the file to. Now, as you can see on the local computer, we're currently on the desktop directory, which is where I've saved the file Beach. You can see it there. On the remote computer, on C drive, I created a folder, Test for TeamViewer. In this folder there is no files, so I want to transfer the beach picture across to the other machine. So you just highlight it like that, click on the send button. That has now been transferred to the other PC. So I'm just going to flick back to the camcorder just to show you it on the other machine. So this is the machine where we've just done the file transfer. As you can see, that's where we left off. My local machine is where I had the file, and I transferred it across to Beach in a folder called C drive Test for TeamViewer on the other machine. So if we go across to the other machine now, there you can see the event log for the file transfer. So if we just stop the file transfer because it's finished anyway and then close it, this is on the PC that's in the corner where we've transferred the file to. If I open up the C drive, here you can see I created the folder Test for TeamViewer, which was empty. If we go in it now, there's the photo that I've transferred from the other machine. Okay, once you're finished with the file transfer and you've finished remote controlling the other PC, to end the session all you need to do is just X out of the TeamViewer session, like so. It tells you that it was a free session. The other machine in the corner as well, the end user, they'll also get a message saying that the session has ended. That's basically how you use TeamViewer to remote control another PC. Thank you.